What is your gut feel about the PSU banking sector at this point of time? I think over the last 25 years, it's the first time where PSU credit growth is exceeding private banking credit growth. Do you think there is some kind of a intangible or invisible shift that has happened in the Indian banking space?
I mean, in our banking portfolio, we are also overweight PSU banks compared to private banks. So that's where we added earlier in the year was the PSU banks. And yes, you're right, not just on growth, even on credit quality, the PSU banks are mostly doing pretty well. So that, so I think that grand cleanup which happened over the years, it is now showing up. And I have never been the sort to write off the management of PSU companies of any kind, including banks. I mean, unlike many others in the market, I do not think that private sector has these great managers and the PSUs just don't have quality management. That's never been the case. And so of course, I mean, you talked about this coming back to one of your earlier questions where you talked of rate cuts. So rate cut, just to remind viewers, normally if you look at the theory of it, the banks gain in margin terms when the rates go up because you reprice the loans immediately and the deposit rates go up only when the deposits are rolled over. So actually, rate hikes are better for the margins than rate cuts. That's the theory of it. But this time, RBI has, while not changing the rates in the last policy, they have loosened a lot of things for the banks, allowing them to do a number of things which they were not allowed to do earlier. So that could be some boost to the business side of banks.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.